Welcome back to my channel, always Alyssa, of course. Hopefully you're all doing super awesome, and I have something super exciting to tell you guys. So as you guys know, I recently reached 1 million subscribers. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That was such a big milestone, so thank you guys so much. I was so excited when I reached it. And some of you may know that when you reach 1 million subscribers on YouTube, you get a play button, a golden play button. Well, it took a little while for it to get here, but it finally came, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Here it is. I'm so excited to open it. Look how big it is. It's like heavy too. So here's the box, and it's actually pretty heavy, so you guys are gonna have to tell me how much you think it weighs. So pause the video right now and tell me what you think it weighs in the comments. Okay, now that you're back, I'll tell you how much it weighs. It weighs 7 pounds. It says it right there. It's pretty heavy. You guys are probably wondering why my room looks so messy. I'll tell you guys. I have a sponsored TikTok for those shirts, so that's why those are there. I have a sponsored video for the skeleton stuff over here, and my brother filmed a sponsored video for all that toy transformer. I don't even know what it is, but they never cleaned it up, but they're going to, I hope. And I also have another sponsored thing with those shirts. So yeah, I still have to finish all those. So that's why things are everywhere. I feel like I'm always in the middle of some kind of project. But make sure that you do follow my brother's YouTube channels. They do some pretty cool stuff. David's channel, the twins channel, and Michael's channel. And actually Owen too. And follow me on TikTok. Make sure you also follow my Instagram because I just gave away 10 things on there. Anyways, back to the play button. Time to open it. I'm so excited. And I think that it's going to be a little different than our other 1 million play button for Family Fun Pack. So I'm excited. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's see, a letter from YouTube. It says, if you took one step for each subscriber you have, do you know how far that would get you? For starters, over 13 times around the perimeter of Beijing, or 14 times around Paris, or 15 times around New York. That's because you now have over 1 million subscribers. Well, this is a pretty cool letter to receive. I worked really hard to reach this milestone, so I'm going to save this letter forever. But for now, I have to get to the main part of this box. Another card. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us. Interesting. What if it got dented or something? What if it like broke? Okay, here I go. Oh my gosh, look how cool it is this time. It's totally different than the last one. Whoa, this is awesome. Presented to Always Alyssa for passing 1 million subscribers. YouTube. That is so cool. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I should try to take it out. Whoa, it really is heavy. This is awesome. Whoa. Oh my gosh, look how nice it is. This is so cool. It's like 2 different shades of gold. Whoa, that's so cool. It's actually pretty thick, look. I love it. Ooh, it's like a mirror, it's so cool. Ooh, what's this? Whoa, look, this is for 100,000, that's for 1 million, I think that's for 10 million. Whoa, that's so pretty, it's a diamond one. Hopefully we get that soon on Family Fun Pack. Whoa!
Oh, free salt?
Dang. I can have my dinner tonight.
Not.
I'm gonna go take this and find a good spot to put it on the wall. Gotta be very careful not to drop this. Whoa, look! I could put it there.
That would look very good.
Or,
show us again. Show us again.
Okay.
That actually would look really great right there.
Or over here.
That's the spot. Oh my gosh.
Doesn't that look good?
Okay, we're gonna get a second play button because you can get a replacement or extra once you earn one, which we didn't know before, but we're definitely gonna get one and put one in Alyssa's room, as well as in our main area, which is where we're headed right now.
So it kind of looks like these are more of the original ones and these are like the new ones, right? Now I just have to decide where to put it.
Where are we gonna put that? We've got to rearrange this wall a little bit, I think.
Yeah, we might have to.
Well, I know it.
Where should we put it? Up there?
Way up high?
I think here could be a
That looks nice.
Okay, we're finding places to put these. We removed some
Should I do it exactly centered or like slightly up?
Maybe centered.
If we do it centered, we have to fix the holes in the wall
Yeah.
from the previous play
I
button.
think center might be best. And then like 1, 2, 3 maybe?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna go slightly up. What do you think, Matt?
I don't know. I think center.
I think maybe
Well, you could either center the actual play button part in the middle. Or the
okay.
entire-
Oh, I see what you're saying. We could put the two plays in order with each other.
Yeah.
like
we
here.
could.
Or just center the entire thing with the other one.
Okay, take it. Take it. Yeah, away. Oh, look at the back. Okay, let me see it again. Let's turn it this way now. Put it up to my finger. That's the center. Now I'm gonna eyeball this spot. Where is it? Okay. Okay. Okay, take the play button. Hand me the hammer. Trying to see if that looks level. I mean, heaven forbid I use a level. I feel like that's not level though. We'll see.
Is it?
We'll see.
I don't know if it is.
Almost, but not quite.
Okay.
Well, actually, does that work right there? Hold on.
Almost.
Is that right?
It slopes down a little to the right.
Yeah.
Okay, here.
And
I knew it. The second I put that in, I could tell.
yeah. There we go. That's probably good. I think.
Is that good?
Let's see. Let's back up.
How's that?
I think it looks pretty better. Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah.
Are we gonna
Next, we gotta put these two. These will be easier to put up.
Here.
Okay. These two are gonna be, let me see this. These two are gonna be like this. Oh my gosh, I have more holes than I can't really hide. Okay.
I'm gonna just
This one.
I just gonna need
Okay, let's see if we got this one where we want it.
Mommy, good job, Mommy.
Thank you.
Looks good. I like Mommy.
Does that look good right there?
Yeah.
So we have one more to put up. Look at this great collection.
Oh my god.
I think we said we were gonna put the other one right here, right, Alyssa? Oh, no. You said right here.
Yeah.
That's right.
Maybe a tad bit higher. Like just a little. I think it would look good there.
That's so cool. Isn't that our very first play button we ever got?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hey, the original film contact play button. There it is.
Wow.
Okay, let's take a look from far away. What do you think, Alyssa?
Let's see.
Ooh.
Oh,
I
love it.
Hey.
Wow, look at it. It stands
It
out.
looks great.
Yeah.
I'm
Wow.
liking these. Wow.
Sweet.
Next is our 100,000 for Family Fun Pack shorts. And then Diamond for Family Fun Pack.
Yeah.
Yes.
That gives
They
you
can go on the top right there.
Yes.
Do you think the diamond ones give you as big as like that big 1 million one?
I think it could be smaller,
Oh.
but we'll see.
It's really
This
cool.
looks great. Congratulations, Alyssa.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the
So exciting.
fingerprints off these now. There's quite a few.
Yeah, there's a really big one in the center of that one. Really awesome. Well, here's the final look at our YouTube haul. I love it. I think we put them in the right places, and I think it looks great.
Here's some close-ups. You guys can see
David, Michael, Family Fun Pack, always Alyssa, Family Fun Pack, Twin Time, always Alyssa.
And then alongside here we have some other ones we were given. Like we reached 5 million, and then we happened to reach 2 million subscribers and 4 billion views on the same day in March.
2016.
I know.
This is a cool one for 5 million.
Yeah. Very, very good, Alyssa.
So exciting.
You added to our wall.
Well, I hope you guys loved today's video. Thank you all so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!